Okay, so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing the launch activity, which is for collisions. And what we're going to do is we're just going to collide some stuff together, and you're going to go and you are going to record what's happening and then make some general observations about what happens with collisions. So the very first one we're going to start with is, and you want to have a level track, we're going to take equal mass objects. And these guys, by the way, are magnetic. Okay, so they have similar poles, so they're going to repel. So you notice that they're going to move. So what's going to happen is our first one is going to be same mass. So we're going to call that M. We're going to call that M. So this is going to be the first one. So it comes in. There we go. We'll do it one more time. You guys can take a look at it. This is mass MM. So take this guy in. All right, so now what you're going to do is you're going to write down the observations relative to it on the boxes which are provided. So go and do that. In this next one, we're going to be doing twice the mass because the black bar is equal to the cart. And so you got 2M here, 2M here. So you can think about what might happen when we roll these guys into each other. So we're going to do this again. We're going to roll it and observe what happens. Okay, so there's one time. And here we go. We're going to do another one. All right, so think about that and what's happening with that and write it down in the spots which are provided. All right, folks, now we're going to do the third one, 2M and an M. So it's not equal masses anymore. So let's see what's going to happen. 2M and M. Aha, slightly different. Let's do this again. 2M to M. All right, once again, write down your observations relative to what occurred. All right, folks, now we're coming back. This is going to be the fourth one. This is now M to 2M. M to 2M. So once again, we have that like that. Here's M and 2M. Aha. And we'll do it one more time once again so you can see it again. And here it comes in. All right. Once again, write down your observations for the M to 2M. And now we're going to have the last one. The last one's interesting. It's different than the ones before. You'll get into why it's different when you start talking about this. But there's something very different about this guy. What we're going to do is we're going to take this and run it against a barrier. Okay? So let's take a look at what happens. Okay. Let's try this one more time. So this is going against a barrier. M against the barrier. And one last time. All right, so what you're going to do is, once again, you're going to write your observations up, and then we'll talk about it in class.